Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to share this Memory Dex card with you. And I made that for hashtag two crafters one design. And that's our theme this week, which is Memory Dex. And I'm also sharing this for hashtag Satmore Makes, which is Saturday Morning Makes, and it's hosted by Jillian Norwood. And so lately, myself, Gloria, and you see why I'm a diva, which is Lisa, and Gloria's Girliest Cards. We have been collabing with our hashtag two crafters one design, and we just choose something that we have similar or what we want to create with for the week if we have the same. So if you have a memory dex, make sure you join in and let's see what you create. All right, so let me show this a little bit more close. It's not quite coming off with the right colors, but hopefully my picture at the end will do justice, I'm hoping. There was a few dies that I could not, well, one die that for sure that I could not find, which is that fence. Could not find this blessing, where I got that blessing from, but it was from a stamp that had blessings in it, and I just cut it out. And so, but love how it turned out. I colored up all of this there, and then I used these word dice there. Sizzix, I am using this, which is by Tim Holtz. Love this. I love the thinness of it. I just love everything about this die set. And it was just so perfect. I am also using Distress Oxide Walnut Stain to go around the outside of that. Okay, and this memory dex came from Lady Cree. Love this. And I used both of them in there. Thank you so much, Lady Cree. And then I also got this from Girliest Cards, which is Gloria. She sent this to me, and I thought I would jump right in and color up those, and that's how I came to this point. It was just sitting in my stash, and I was just, well, let me just use some of the things that I already have cut out. So only thing I literally had to do was cut the memory dex and this. I had to stamp that. Everything else was already cut out and colored up, and I had to color up the fence. So I was just happy with that. And so it all fell into place, and I thought it turned out pretty good. So make sure you use all those links down below, as well as those hashtags, and join in with Saturday Morning Makes and hashtag two crafters one design, and we will come over and see what you have created. All right, thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.